Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, and now we're here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of July, 2024, our system has classified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.37. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 5.19%. This translates to an average daily loss of 0.4% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this may represent a favorable buying opportunity. However, a drop below the lower trend line at $158.12 would signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it indicates a possible decline of approximately 1.86% over the next 3 months, with a potential return range between -5.19% and +13.87%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 39.43% over the coming year, with a possible return between 32.26% and 67.01%. This translates to a price range of $216.48 to $273.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock price up 1.01% on Friday. The Google stock price gained 1.01% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of August, 2024. Rising from $162.03 to $163.67. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it continues this upward trend or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.97%, with a day low of $159.06 and a day high of $163.79. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but it remains down by 1.99% over this period. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.58 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $191.75, while the lowest price stood at $120.21. Currently, the price is 14.64%, or $28.08, below the 52-week high, and 93.32%, or $2,285.25, below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Recent developments surrounding Alphabet, Google's parent company, highlight both challenges and opportunities that could influence its stock price in the short and long term. On the 8th of August, Google experienced a significant outage with its Gmail service, underscoring reliability issues that could shake investor confidence. This disruption, although relatively minor in the grand scheme, adds to an ongoing narrative that potential antitrust rulings and operational missteps pose risks to Google's dominant position in the tech industry. At the same time, Alphabet is garnering attention as it currently holds the lowest valuation among the so-called Magnificent Seven stocks, suggesting potential for upside, as investors might see it as a bargain in an otherwise turbulent market. With concerns about a Nasdaq sell-off, many analysts still advocate for Alphabet as a strong buy, especially given its position in digital advertising and cloud computing. Moreover, news of a secret arrangement between Google and Meta to target underage users with Instagram ads raises ethical and regulatory concerns, potentially inviting scrutiny that could harm its brand and lead to financial repercussions. As Alphabet continues to leverage artificial intelligence for monetization opportunities, the growth prospects remain strong. However, investors will be closely watching how these operational challenges and regulatory pressures might translate into short-term volatility, while the longer-term narrative could pivot on strategic responses to these evolving challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned Google a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Google a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. In terms of return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen 3.4%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Google stock retains a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $177.34. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $162.80. A breakout above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands also present a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 14 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 178 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google identifies support from accumulated volume at $162.03. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.73 between its high and low, which is approximately 2.97%. In the last week, the stock displayed average daily volatility of 3.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.83. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $167.28. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $162.03. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 7th of August, 2024, Ashkenazi Anat conducted an insider buy of 93,305 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, Ashkenazi Anat conducted another insider buy of 71,900 shares of Class C Google stock units. Again, on the 7th of August, Ashkenazi Anat made an additional insider buy of 32,931 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 31st of July, 2024, Ashkenazi Anat conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of no securities beneficially owned. On the 7th of August, 2024, Pichai Sundar executed an insider sell of 5,905 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 6.090. Overall, insiders purchased 665,484 shares and sold 785,651 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google shows several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of August, we expect Google to open lower by $1.50, starting at $162.17. It's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.